What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando. And I know we were just here 2 days ago, but Icebreaker has some exciting progress going on. We're going to check that out. But before we head inside the park, there's some new stuff going on over at the parking toll booths. Let's take a look. Alright, so as we saw at the parking toll booths, it looks like a new structure is going to be going up over the top of them. And now we're inside, no wait to get through security or through the front entrance. It's Florida winter, baby. Somewhere around 62 degrees. Sky Tower, and unfortunately it's not in operation right now due to high winds. We can see the sign right there. Maybe it'll open up a little later. And now we're getting a closer view of Icebreaker, and we can see a bunch of new track has been added just since our last update 2 days ago. Again, we said in our update it was all going to be going up. Sure enough, there it is. Check out that launch house building. A couple days ago when we left, they were just starting to put up the frame. Now we can see it completely surrounding the concrete pad. As we can see here, the support that Lauren had a chance to sign, saying Midway Mayhem, is right there, and it's a part of the turn leading back into the station.
we're going to ask for that scale behavior again from Malia. So if you turn your attention to that metal platform across the way, you should get an awesome look at Malia doing that scale. And that was perfect. So Morgan blew her with fish. Then our fully grown whales, like in Surf Shamu, we're reminded that each of us, by our choices, can really make a difference in caring for the natural world. And if we all join together in cooperation, just like killer whales do,
I'm at the bartender.
Relationships that we build take years to develop and are based on trust.
Could weigh over 12,000 pounds. But these next whales you're about to meet are, when they're fully grown,
Hold my hand.
Bora.
Just like our last update, we can see the sea of trees testing right here, and right over there, lights on the trees for the pathway. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Icebreaker Roller Coaster construction. As we saw, track is in the air, which is good news, and we should have a bunch more by Friday. We're expecting a lot of the course to go up within the next couple of weeks. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.